Hi, family. I'm SNwadiei. I'm HYBASIA, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. Yeah, y'all. As well as the Creole Grill test. How y'all doing this fine Sunday? I hope you're doing fine, y'all. No matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours, I hope you're just having a fabulous day. I want to take you on a trip with me to the Gambia, y'all. The Food Forest Project. Yeah, y'all. Food Forest. My sister Janice made these for me, y'all. Now I'm going to be your eye, y'all, born on the island. So I love my Gambia as well as my island of Galveston. But anyway, y'all, come with me on the trip to the Gambia. I want you to see the Food Forest Project in Jambanjelly. I want you to see our team. They are students of permaculture, y'all. And who's teaching us? The fabulous Mr. Baji. Yes. I'm going to leave a link to an interview he had with someone this week. And subscribe to their channel, y'all. But anyways, I'm just so proud of everybody that we've done so much in just a year and a half. So come see what we was up to today. What all beautiful things that we have to share with you about permaculture. It's free, y'all. Come with me and see what we've been doing to make our food forest grow and prosper.
Good morning, Mr. Biden.
Good morning, my dear brother. Today is Sunday as usual. After what we have done in the morning, now our task now is to do the transplanting. It was not in this container. This is all papaya. Papaya from the garden, and now we use the same seed growing again so that we can propagate it. That's why I say success starts with seeds. In agriculture, before you think about food security, think about seed security. If you plant a tree, this is the value of it. Take the seed, nurse it, now we are making them into containers. And in this container, it can be here for almost 3 to 4 months. Early part of the rain, then we can do the transplanting. But even at this stage, we can do direct planting if we want, but we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that whatever we do according to our wish. You have to control decision. In agriculture, your decision is very key. So as I said, it's teamwork. Somebody did the cutting. Now he is doing the transplanting. Farmer is going to do the watering. So teamwork is strength and power. Thank you so much. Let's unite for a greater purpose. One heart, one love. Thank you. So yeah, you have to carry it there. To the veranda. Thank you. Wait. Thank you so much. If you don't plant a tree in a day, please make it a duty. Every week plant at least one tree, or every month one tree. The tree you plant today can feed the future generation. So thank you so much. As usual, we are a team. These are the HYBASIA Food Forest. They are the heroes. I'm only there to give them technical backup. So we are coming to plant it together. Yeah. So yeah, we can remove this. and remove the other side. Then lift it, put it in the ground. Bismillah. Yeah. So it's not enough to plant, but what is important, how do we take care of the plant? In caring the plant, you make sure that it has enough water, manure, and security. So plants are like human beings. They should not be hungry and no taste, and you monitor their life. So no plant take longer time to, the day you plant it, that's the beginning of their life. But if you don't plant, remember, if you don't plant now and you want to plant tomorrow, you fail. Because trees of tomorrow were planted yesterday. Therefore, trees for tomorrow should be planted today. If we care for the next generation, please, let's work for them. Otherwise, what we are enjoying, they are going to lose everything. So we should not be selfish and, of course, greedy because of our own interests. But we should share. And this is the goal of the HYBASIA Food Forest. We want to share. Whatever we are doing, we are thinking about today and tomorrow and for everyone. So, as a team, I'm so grateful. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, so good. So the cameraman, thank you. Huh? So we are going to fill this with the soil.
Can I put water over?
Yeah, just put water. Thank you. So left a comment on this. Huh? Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Grateful in the sense that not only the day we were planting the plant, but even where we bought it. Imagine we buy this almost a year and a half ago, almost 1 year, 6 months ago in Jambanjelly. It was just like a small plant. That was almost the beginning of our journey. So, and then even it was in fence. But thank God, within 1 year, 6 months, this is just a small gift from God to HYBASIA Food Forest. And it is not stopping here. We are using this as a market test. One of our friends is going to take it to the vendors. And a kilo is $125 to $150. So imagine what you can get from this half bag or even a quarter of a bag. And this is from only one plant. So if you have 100 of these in your garden, that's why agriculture, the value is more than what people thought. It's not only about the fruit, but even the seed inside is part of the value. And not only the fruit, the tree, the seed, but even the vendor and even the consumer, you see? So this is all part of the value of agriculture. And thank you. And even the government is going to receive tax from the vendor through us. So you see the interrelationship. So please, let's work hard to feed ourselves. And not only feed ourselves, but the future generation. And this will go for generations. Thank you so much. Team HYBASIA, I'm so grateful. Without you, without our dear mother and our donors, we cannot achieve this. As I said, success is collective achievement. So no man is an island, and we need one another. No supporting, please. If you can give more, so that we can also produce more and feed more people. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Abaraka. This one is specially dedicated to all those who are supporting us. But our dear mom, we owe a lot to you. And Stephanie, we are grateful. All our donors, we are grateful. If you enter here today, there are a lot of trees coming. Today they look smaller and younger, but inshallah, most of them now are taller than Mr. Baji. I remember some of these trees like this orange, it was very short. But today, almost 2 times my height. Similarly, bananas, they were only suckers. That shows you that if you start a journey, please never give up. No matter what challenges you face, please try to address the challenges. So thank God, we have a very good, strong team. Ready, determined, courageous, and almost we all share the same vision, and that is the future, and how to build love, unity, and harmony within the team and even outside. So please, those donating, keep donating. Those following our pages, please subscribe, like, comment. So we are here for you. You are there for us. Thank you so much for today. Hope to see you next Sunday. But this is our success. I'm so happy. And then you can see all these trees are coming. And of course, other creatures are also benefiting as well. On that note, I thank everyone once again. Allah Baraka, Jerejef, bravo. Thank you. Bye until next Sunday. So, alina nga nadalo ke ako sila ninyo wata puru nika. Nika ni. Avoid nika kai.
Well, guys, I hope you had a wonderful time visiting at our food forest, y'all. Y'all see, we getting ready to do what? Permaculture economics, y'all. Mr. Baji is teaching our group about pricing and what the market will bear with our oranges. Just a sample, y'all, just a taste, because that's what we do. We're a open classroom. We are researching what works, what doesn't work in permaculture. And it's going to help enable everybody on our team to also teach others what they know about permaculture in their community. And they're already doing it in the world by doing this video for you, and you. They recorded everything and they sent it to me. I edited it, and then I share it with all of you. I hope you appreciate all the hard work they put in, y'all, to keep that food forest growing like that. We have a land manager that does all the care of it during the weekday until our team can get there on Sunday so they can evaluate what's going on and implement any changes that we need to do. I'm just so happy and proud of all of them. And thank you so much to all our Patreons. Thank you so much for all our donors, whether you've donated in the past once or twice, or however many times, Abadaka, we are grateful. And if you are so led to donate again and again, please do. You have the opportunity to give with us at the Food Forest Project. We not only plant a tree for you, we manage that tree and nurture that tree so it can grow and prosper. And we're praying that one day you can come and eat some of the fruit from the tree that you enabled us to plant in the food forest. If you want to plant a tree specifically in honor of one of your ancestors, just let us know, y'all. Make the donation and let us know their name, and we'll call it out once we buy the tree with the money that's donated. Y'all, I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all. We could not do everything we've done without the assistance of our patrons. And if you want to become a patron, the information will be inside of the information section of the video, y'all. You are welcome to come and join us as a Patreon. For less than a coffee a month, you can be part of us and know that every dollar you're donating is going toward the project, towards the project. I'm the founder and the president, and I get no pay because it's my baby, y'all. We don't make any money in the Food Forest Project. We're teaching. And even one day, when we grow, we want to be a social enterprise so we can be self-sustaining, so we can teach more people, and they can turn around and teach others. And we can have permaculture, food forests, hopefully all over this world. And it's all because you helped, and you helped, and you helped, and you helped. And we blessed from the Most High. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. If you have not commented or subscribed, please do. I appreciate and love all of you guys. Y'all, I'm giving you some good news from the Gambia. I know people been spreading all kind of bad news, y'all. You'll think it wasn't nothing good happening in the Gambia. But this is good news, y'all. It's been happening all along. Right there in Jambanjelly. Quietly working hard to make it happen. Slowly by slowly. Please help us share our story. Subscribe. Like, share. And if you have it in your heart to donate, please do. We do need help from you guys. We do. We appreciate you again and again. Until next time, y'all. Peace, peace. Power to the people. I'm out, y'all. Bye.